How's it going, everyone? It's Sam. Today I'm talking to you about a really cool app. This is the Bitget wallet, and it's a competitor to MetaMask, to Trust Wallet. It's really cool, and it recently got bought out. It was called BitKeep before this, but now it's owned by Bitget, and it's a world-class multi-chain crypto wallet that also takes a #1 spot for decentralized wallets in Asia. I just set it up, and it's super easy to use. I really like the UI as well, and it's probably going to be something that I use for the next bull run. So they do have really strong security, ease of use, and a lot of different products. They also have a large treasure chest in case there are some kind of hacks or something like that. They have hundreds of millions of dollars, which we'll talk about exactly how that's all set up, to back that up. And they've already had, a while ago had about an $8 million exploit, and they gave everyone the money right away. So I like that, to have a little bit of a golden parachute, especially because we have seen hacks. No matter what app you're looking at, there are hacks. So it's good to have some kind of fund like that. Now, they already have 12 million users across 168 countries. And they support 90 major blockchains, including Ethereum, Polygon, Solana, BNB chain. They have 20,000 dApps, over 1 million NFTs, 255,000 tokens, they say. It also boasts popular features including real-time candlestick chart displays, gasless swaps, NFT trading using any token, and various industry-leading security parameters. Now, I want to walk through this app today. This is a partner of the channel, Bitget Wallet is, and it's a company that I hope to continue to work with because it's a world-class platform for decentralized wallets. Now, let's get a little bit of history on what this was. I'll leave links to all this underneath the video. Let's get a little history as to what this was, and let's look at what it actually looks like. And also, we're going to take a look at why you might want a decentralized wallet in the first place. So I think that is a good place to start. So decentralized wallets are different than cold storage wallets. They do give you access to your own keys. So they allow you to actually hold basically the passphrase or the seed phrase to get into your wallet without having some centralized exchange hold it. So if some centralized exchange goes bankrupt, you still have your own keys. You still hold your own crypto. But it's also easier to get at than something like a cold storage wallet. So they say benefits of decentralized wallets include full control, access to DeFi and Web3 without KYC, enhanced security, and P2P transactions. It is nice to have some amount of crypto on a wallet like this so that you can get easier access to it. The majority of my crypto is on cold storage, but then I do hold some, I'm not going to say how much, I do hold some on some hot wallets just because I do, again, think that it's useful, especially if you're someone that uses crypto a decent amount. It is nice not to have to go into your cold storage all the time and get crypto out. Everyone that I know that is really into crypto has a hot wallet or some kind of decentralized wallet. Now, this company specifically is an interesting one. They have a large treasure chest, a Bitget user protection fund comprised of 6,500 Bitcoin, 120 million Tether, and 40 million USDC. So they have $360 million to safeguard against security incidents. The exchange created the $300 million fund following the collapse of FTX, and because of Bitcoin going up in price, this has led to $60 million worth of capital appreciation. They recently changed their name to Bitget Wallet from BitKeep because Bitget bought a controlling stake in them for $30 million back in March. So I really like the app so far. It's really easy to download. I'll show you here how easy it was to download, but you can get it on Google Play, Android APK, you can get it on iOS, and you don't have to, and you can get it on Chrome too, and anyone can get it. So again, I'll leave links to this underneath the video, but let's take a look at how easy it was to set up. So this is easy to find, as I said. Just look up Bitget Wallet in your app store, hit download, just takes a few seconds. Again, I think this is a solution that most people should have ready for the next bull run, because there are going to be times where we need to make quick moves in and out of cryptocurrencies, or you want to check something out, you want to trade. So again, this is something that I think is pretty much a must for every investor out there. So once you download it, you're going to get a couple of these little tabs welcoming you to the Bitget wallet, giving you a little bit of information. Then you want to get your mnemonic wallet set up, or your MPC. You can set your PIN code. I'm not going to show you that, but then it will let you in. So all you have to do is really put in your PIN code. You have to set up a PIN code. That's it to get into your wallet. And then you do want to back it up. So you do want to set a seed phrase. So if for some reason you lose your phone, you can get back into it if it's not, downloaded to the cloud or something. So backup mnemonics. It basically gives you 12 words, and then you just write them down. And then it will ask you a couple questions to make sure you actually wrote them down. Make sure you write them in a safe place, as we've said in the past. Make sure that you're in a quiet place when you're writing these down, because this is your password and there's no way to get back. So as you can see here, it's all laid out really simply, which I really like. There's a wallet section. There's a swap section where you can transfer between different cryptocurrencies. This is something that I really like, and I shouldn't say transfer. You can swap between different cryptocurrencies. We're kind of handcuffed here in the US because it's really hard to get into some cryptos because they're not on some of the big exchanges. So it is really nice that they do include those in this app. They have the quote, swap, and launchpad. So if you're trying to get into some early stage crypto, you can also look at that there. They have a lot of sections like that in this app that give you just more flexibility. Here you can also see some of the rankings of some of the top NFT projects, and you can also mint NFTs. Now, I'm not always the biggest proponent of NFTs, but I think there's something to be said for if there's a big hit game, or heck, if there's just a lot of liquidity in the system, people will try to rush in and then will want some way to be able to buy NFTs if necessary. And then dApps as well. So you can get into a lot of different apps from that tab. And then a little bit more information about yourself, your wallet. There is an affiliate section. So in case, you want to become a Bitget affiliate, you can also sign up for it through this app. Now you can buy peer-to-peer on the app. They have a peer-to-peer marketplace where security measures are enforced to safeguard both ends. And they recently rolled out 5 stable payment channels: Banxa, Simplex, Alchemy Pay, MoonPay, and FatPay, that allow users to purchase cryptocurrencies within the wallet via credit cards, Google Pay, and Apple Pay, which is useful for some people trying to get in for the first time. Now, right now, they do have a big trading competition going. They say, are you able to turn $100 into a $100,000 miracle? Their grandest event, New Degen 2023 on-chain trading competition, is now live. So you can compete from October 16 through November 18. You can go solo or team up, and you can win up to $100,000 in USDT and some other prizes as well. Now, the cool thing about this competition is that it's multifaceted. It's got individual competitions. It's also got team competitions as well. So a couple different ways you can win money as an individual. You can win 25,000 USDT, and this is selected based on the net earnings accrued during the competition period. You can also win the Gem Hunter Award, which is also 25,000. This is just determined on the highest ROI of over 100 USDT. So you have to start with 100 USDT in a lot of these. Then there's a Stupid Money Award also. And this is selected based on the net losses accrued during the competition. So it's not just for people that are trading low, but trying to give some hope to the people that maybe didn't trade quite as well. And there's squad competitions as well. You need at least 3 participants, and you need to start with 100 USDT there. At least the Hot 5 Squad Award. They say champions and participants award or participation awards will be selected based on the highest number of squad members accumulated during the event. So if you can get a lot of members, and then there's $20,000 as well, 20,000 USDT. Champions and participation awards will be selected based on the cumulative trading volume during the event. So if you can trade very quickly with high volume. There's also the Social Media King Award, which gives away 10,000 USDT to encourage community members to get others to engage on Twitter, Telegram, Discord channels. So there are a lot of different ways to make money on this. I'll leave a link to this underneath the video as well in case you want to check out this post. Now, of course, always do your due diligence. I want to make sure that you feel comfortable with the wallet, so don't just take everything I say as fact. Make sure you go research and try it out yourself. I'll leave links to it underneath the video. Again, thank you to Bitget Wallet for sponsoring this video. I'm going to do more types of these reviews in the future on different wallets. I already have been because I think we want to make sure that we have everything set up for the next bull run, make sure that we have all our bases covered, all the simple stuff that you would think you would know, like how to set up different wallets, how to gain access to different cryptos. But if this is your first go round, or even if you just haven't looked in a while, it's hard to get access to all the different cryptos you might want to buy. So you need multiple wallets usually set up. So definitely check this out. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.